Hello dear friends, today I'm gonna guide you through this tutorial to make it easier on you. I am using a white paper 30 by 30 centimeters. First, start by tracing the outlines of the house. I have given you the measures of every single outline. I have also added the angle of the roof of the house. One of the windows will be an arc window, and then two side windows that are square with a cross in the middle, and then trace the door and start by tracing or designing the house with patterns. First, I will start by tracing vertical stripes. I have given you the enlarged picture for you to see better, and then on the walls of the house we will do square spiral snail. And I will add a few random rectangles for the bricks. Add to your windows a second outline and then put some diagonal traces to give the effect of the glass. For the door, we're gonna trace the wooden stripes. So for that, trace 4 vertical lines and then try to trace thin wavy lines to give the effect of the wood. And after that, for the tower, the middle tower of the house, I will fill it with intersected curves. Now, I have used this pattern several times on many other projects that you can see across my channel. I will decorate the roof of the house with arcs. But of course, as I always say, you are most welcome to try and add your own patterns. And of course, don't forget to share what you draw with me on my Instagram account so I can create a story especially for you. Now add a small chimney. The size of the chimney is not very important, so you can make it big, you can make it small, it's up to you. And then design it with bricks. And from this chimney, we will trace lines to give the effect of the balloon stripes. Now for the balloons, we will draw a number of random circles, and then some of these circles will be mandalas and other circles will be zentangles, and then the rest will just be simply colored. Now follow the video step by step, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send me these questions and I will be pleased to help you. Now enjoy this tutorial and continue drawing, and don't forget to show me the results.